This expression is very common to the Fante people, and if you have had an encounter with a Fante person, you would regularly hear them say or use this expression. They say, Ɔhyɛ Yie, Ɔhyɛ Yie. Now, have you wondered what is the meaning of the word Ɔhyɛ Yie? Now, generally, when the Fante person or anyone speaking Fante says Ɔhyɛ Yie, what they actually means generally means that it is good or it's good, right? Things are good. Now, to help you understand this better, let me put 3 instances that causes the Fante to say Ɔhyɛ Yie. Now, there is this musician called Kofi Kinata in Ghana, a Ghanaian Fante musician. He usually uses this slang and he says Ɔhyɛ Yie, right? When you get a food and then you taste it and then you realize that the food has all those things that you need, that is, the food is tasty, it is delicious, it is sweet, you can express this in Fante and you can say Ɔhyɛ Yie, it's Ibanize, Ɔhyɛ Yie, okay? Now, another instance that causes you or Fante to say Ɔhyɛ Yie, when a dress is very beautiful or someone is wearing a dress or adorned in a dress and the dress looks very beautiful, very elegant, you can say that Atarizi or Sheye. It means this dress is good, it looks good, okay? Now let's look at the third instance that causes the Fante to say or to use this expression Ɔhyɛ Yie. That is human. When humans or people are very beautiful, they are very handsome, they are looking good, and you see them, you can exclaim this expression and say, Benyinize Ɔhyɛ Yie, Besiabeze Ɔhyɛ Yie. So you usually come across males expressing this when usually they are in group and they see a beautiful girl coming with a good shape and all those things that they require or they expect in a woman. They express this and they say Ɔhyɛ Yie, Ɔhyɛ Yie.
Hi, I say Besabe Ɔhyɛ Yie, Ɔhyɛ Yie, Ɔhyɛ Yie.
Please, if you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to our channel. Your comments are always welcome here. Of course, the thoughtful ones. Don't forget to like our videos. This channel has more for you to learn Fante, this dialect. Until we meet again, I say bye-bye. Let's meet again on another interesting lesson. The name is Ɔhyɛ Yie. Bye-bye.